Alright guys, you know what it is, it's your boy Daily Dose of Los, and first of all, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another vlog. So today, got a little bit of a surprise for us. Earlier this week, or a couple videos ago, as y'all seen, we went ahead and installed the switch pros on the 4Runner, but I didn't put no lights on there. Why? Because I've been waiting for this shipment. So let's go ahead and get this unboxing started, and let's go ahead and see what's going next for the 4Runner. Alright guys, so got a shipment in. So I got these from SDHQ.com, based out of Arizona. So what it is, I got two Lp6s. So I got the Lp6 Pros, and these are the clear driving combo is what these are. So my budget only allowed for two, and that's what I got, is two of them. So I did get the clear lens on them. So I didn't go with the amber lens, just really wasn't my style. But let's go ahead and get these opened up. So one thing about an SDHQ that I did get them in, they did take about 2 weeks to get them. They are made here in the US, Baja Designs is. The only reasons I did go with Baja Designs is just kind of the fog lights already have our Baja Designs, and kind of to keep that same familiarity going. And plus my hefty bumper will allow for what is two of them, or actually allows for three, so maybe one day I can go ahead and afford what is a third one, but for now we're going to go ahead and go with the two. So in addition to it, because these are going on the Switch Pro, we went ahead and went with the Baja Designs wiring harness to allow for 2 into 1, and that's just to make it easier. So we'll check this out, but first let's go ahead and get one of these open. Alright guys, the moment I've been waiting for, the moment you've been waiting for, the moment we all been waiting for. Alright fam, this is it, the Lp6 Pros. Y'all ready for this? Ready? Hey, this is well quality built foam right here. I'm gonna have to put this in a mattress. Alright guys, as you guys can see, Lp6 Pros, baby. First of all, Baja Design. Made in the US, can't go wrong with that. Great quality built box, got the foam like I said, can't go wrong with it, but you know, we don't need this. So let's get down to the nitty gritty. The one and only, what I've been waiting for, the Lp6 Pros, baby. These right here are fantastic. I've been wanting these for a minute, man, been saving up. Like I said, gotta get them, right? So, real quick, I did not want to take the cellophane or this plastic piece off the front. I'm one of those dudes that like to leave that on the TV, my PlayStation, on my remote. But for you guys, I want y'all to see the full details of these, so I'm going to go ahead and take these off real quick. Ooh! Fresh, baby! Look at these things. So, as you guys can see, these are the Lp6, right? Because there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LEDs. Now, even though these look maybe kind of small, or they only got 6 LEDs, here's the crazy part about these. These are 8,600 lumens. So I don't really know how to measure lumens, but what I know is that is bright. And not only that, dude, it's got a 1700 on the side, which is gonna allow for like late night trail riding to kind of see on the side, which is gonna be great, man, especially with both of these. In addition to it, one of the big reasons why I did buy the Lp6 versus a lot of lights is these do have what is a daylight running light, which is gonna be great. So at night, during the day, it'll give it a nice little look. They do have a high and low power with them, and they also have this thing called high power mode, which I'm assuming is going to make everything super bright. So kind of a little bit of what to expect from these. So you're going to get the Lp6, of course, right? Well built. As you guys can see, it's got the fans to cool them. Looks like a freaking computer, dude. Look at this thing. Look at that bad boy. I don't even know what to say. Woo, these are fresh, man. And like I said, I did get the clear lens. These also come in an amber lens. And like I said, these are the driving combos. We kind of give you guys a little insight on what to expect. So of course, you're going to get the bracket that's going to mount these to the bumper, wherever you decide to mount them. So you can see, boom. I do like it because it does have a little bit of adjustability here, as you can see. So it does allow for you to adjust it to where you want. And I mean, that's always great, because the last thing you want to do is be blinding people on the trail. Definitely don't want that. And of course, what we all really paid for, the stickers. I think I got the sticker more so than I got the light. Hey, you gotta represent. I'm gonna put this on the truck, maybe on the cooler, I don't know. And it does come with this cool product registration card. Hey, if you register your products, let me know. I'd never register anything, nor do I ever read the terms and conditions. I don't know, you're supposed to. get rid of both of them. Maybe I should keep it though because of how expensive these are. Let me show you what comes in these bags. So, as you guys can see, these are the instructions. I don't know. These are in English, but there's a lot of gibberish. I don't know. I mean, I'm just kidding, guys. This is gonna be really important on how to wire them up because just remember I had said in the Switch Pro video, it's very important as far as amperage and how much it's pulling, and make sure I do put them on the right one. Definitely don't want the Switch Pro blowing up. Don't want my car to have any failures. Don't need me to be in there with an electrical fire and then just burn down. Then it's going to have a melted 4Runner. It's got the hardware, it looks like here, which is pretty simple. That's just a simple bag of bolts and nuts. And here's what it is, pretty cool. It does have the connector pin, so pretty much build your own connection to them, which definitely worth it. So great product, guys. Now, as you guys know, I do have the Switch Pro. I do have 2 of these. So here's another thing that I did go ahead and jump with. I did want to try to keep everything professional looking, clean. Didn't definitely want a bunch of wires everywhere. So let me show you what else I bought. Boom, got the Baja Design harness for 2 of them. So this is going to allow for 2 lights. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what this looks like. Alright guys, got to get my handy dandy box knife right here. Got that orange and black Halloween. Alright guys, hey, safety precaution, make sure parents watching, don't want to cut your own finger off. Let's see what's in this harness. So, man, this is a bad dude right here. Man, look at this. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what this looks like. So, got a little bread bag holders. That's what I call these, is bread bag holders, you know, because when you got that bread, got to keep it fresh, got to make sure you got that little bread bag holder on there. Boom. Hey, I might have to save that to wire some stuff up. But let's go see what the harness looks like, guys. Oh, what if this? Look at this switch real quick. You know what this is? Oh, for my Fast and the Furious, this that ejecto-cito button. Pew! So I got that on there. And my handy dandy knife kind of fell, but let's kind of see what's all involved with this harness here, guys. So as you can see, it's a pretty large harness actually. Looks like I got a relay on it. Let me see here. I'm assuming this might be for the running daylights. I'm going to have to look into it. I'm pretty sure this is to turn on the running daylights. So, and well, right here, one harness for the light. So it looks like this will go. Just make sure I get it right, guys. Boom. So it's watertight sealed. So when we're out trail riding in the mud, any sort of dust, these are I think it's Lp6 is, or not, yeah, Lp6 is the dust rating on them. So oh guys, this is a pretty big harness. So let's see here.
As big as jumper cables.
Where's the end of it? I don't know, man. Alright, so here's the relay. Here's the button. Oh, boom. Here's the other harness. So essentially this will probably go in this one. Connect it. Oh, make sure you hear that clip. Go bang, bang. Just kidding, guys. I don't know what I'm talking about. And then boom. Got a red for a power and a black for a negative. And that'll take care of that. Like I said, the yellow, I'm assuming this yellow one right here is going to be for the daylight running lights. I could be wrong. I'm going to look at the instructions. Like I said, I haven't looked at them yet, so I could probably be wrong. But nonetheless, 3 connections it looks like. Real simple. Got a relay. Just got to bolt that up. Other than that, guys, there we go.
Where do we go from? Where do we go from here?
Alright guys, so as you guys can see, went ahead and got these unboxed. Super excited to get these posted on the to get these mounted onto the rig, man, get put on the 4Runner, kind of see what they look like. I'm excited to see what you guys think about it, man. These things, like I said, man, I have been daydreaming, fanboying, I don't know what you want to call it, about these bad boys for a while, man. It took a lot of late nights of eating ramen noodles. Just kidding. I do eat ramen noodles, those are pretty fire. But eating, not going out, staying home, trying to not buy things to pay for these things, man. So these are bad. I mean, I'll definitely tell you what I think of them once we get them on the car, bolted up. Maybe I'll do like a 6-month review or something. If y'all want to see that, put that in the comments. If y'all want to see me get like a 6-month review, I'll definitely be more than happy to do that for you guys. But nonetheless, bad boys are here. Like I said, that Switch Pro was not for anything. Gotta get that, put it to work, put it to use. So, about to get these bolted up. Install video coming soon, man. So with that being said, hope y'all like today's video. If y'all's made it this far, hit that like if you like it. Hit that share if you know someone that's interested in buying these and kind of wants to see the unboxing of them. And if anything, hit that subscribe. If you're, excuse me, my bad guys. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe. If this is something you're interested in, want to keep seeing more. And those that are subscribed, I appreciate the love. Thanks for sticking around. With that being said, guys, I gotta get going here. Gotta move on to the next vlog. But I appreciate it. Thanks for stopping by, Daily Dose of Lows fam. Much love. With that being said, I am out on 1, 2, 3. Later.
Hey, I just wanna see you on my new crate. Hey, I just wanna see you on my new crate before